In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set profile and role hierarchy in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control who sees which records and what actions each user can perform. Quick note before we begin. You'll need a paid edition of Zoho CRM with more than one user to create roles and profiles. First, let's get clear on what each piece does. A role defines a user's position in your organization and governs data visibility along the hierarchy, meaning higher roles can access records owned by their subordinates, depending on your sharing rules. A profile defines permissions, such as which modules a user can access and whether they can view, create, edit, delete, import, export, or run reports. Think of roles as who you can see, and profiles as what you can do. Let's set up roles. In Zoho CRM, go to Setup, then Users and Permissions, then Roles. Click New Role. Enter a clear role name, like Sales Manager or Sales Rep. Set the reports. To field to place this role under the appropriate manager. This builds your hierarchy. If you leave it blank, it will fall under the top role. If you want peers in the same role to see each other's data, enable Share Data with Peers. Add a description to document the purpose, then save. Repeat this to reflect your org chart, such as placing reps under managers and managers under leadership. As a tip, keep names consistent and avoid creating more levels than you truly need. Now assign roles to users. Go to Setup, Users and Permissions, then Users. Click Edit next to the user, choose the correct role from the drop-down, and save. Assigning roles right away helps you validate visibility as you build. Zoho CRM also offers a hierarchy preference. In Company Settings, open Hierarchy Preference and choose Role Hierarchy for access based on your role tree, or Reporting Hierarchy for access based on reporting relationships set on user records. Pick the one that matches your real-world management and sharing needs. Next, set up profiles. Go to Setup, Users and Permissions, then Profiles, and click New Profile. Give it a name, such as Sales Rep or Support Agent, and optionally clone from an existing profile to save time. In the Profile Editor, configure module permissions for View, Create, Edit, and Delete. Under Utilities, decide on actions like Import, Export, and Mass Update. Grant setup access only to trusted admin roles. Save your changes. Finally, assign profiles to users. In Users, edit the user, select the profile that matches their job, and save. A good best practice is least privilege. Give users just what they need, test with a non-admin account, and adjust as your processes evolve. With roles and profiles aligned, your CRM stays secure, clean, and efficient.